Hey guys, it's me, Forky, and I'm part of the Pixar TV channel, and I want you to subscribe right there. Subscribe right there. Get her, Mqueen, get her! I would, it's because this pineapple race truck is too bumpy for me.
And that's the way I like it. It's Cruz Ramirez for the win!
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Well, Cruz, good job out there.
Thanks. What's wrong, Fillmore?
I don't know. I just kind of feel empty inside or something. Fillmore, you always feel empty inside. I know, but I just feel like this time I actually feel empty inside.
Light bulb! Oh, great. It's another one of Mater's crazy ideas. Okay, guys. This time it isn't crazy. Fillmore, how do you feel about going tractor tipping?
Tractor tipping? What's that?
Jeez, I haven't been going tractor tipping since ever I got married to Sally.
Actually, I feel like tractor tipping can actually fill that hole inside of me.
Oh, well, you see, about that. Sorry, fellers, can't come in. Wait, what? Wait, what? Why'd you put a fence around it? What happened? Well, look at the sign. Oh, but why? Well, we've, gotten some few complaint issues, mostly because, Frank got really annoyed that everyone was, messing around with his tractors and basically started eating everyone. Wait, but then how am I supposed to get my milk? Ah, come on! Well, Mater, maybe if I wasn't a sheriff, I would've let you in. But too bad I am a sheriff, so if I see you here, you got a fine. And some jail time. A $500 fine.
Well, I guess that's too bad.
Let's get out of here. Wait, don't leave!
Well, what are we gonna do now, Mater?
Well, if we can't get in the farm, looks like the farm is gonna come to us. What do you mean by that? Alright, you two, meet me at this area tonight. Wait, Mater, what are you planning on doing? Nothing.
I wonder what Mater's planning right now.
Hey, you two over here. Mater, what exactly are you planning on doing right now?
It kind of feels strange.
Well, guys, look behind you.
Huh?
Let's just say it's launch time. Get it? Wait, Mater, you're gonna break the fence? If it's the only way, we're gonna go tractor tipping. Ouch. Be free, cow, be free! Come on, guys, help me get these tractors out of here. Well, what the heck? Be free! Be free! Ouch! One way to say thank you.
Me next! Come on, be free, big tractor, be free!
Wait, big tractor?
Cruz? I don't think that's a big tractor.
Oh gosh, Cruz, run! That ain't no tractor, that's Frank!
Wait, what?
Get out of here! Oh, run! Oh boy, honey, I hope everyone got their oil already.
This soil tastes amazing.
Hey, could I get some more oil over here? Alright, a refill coming up. Wait a minute, hey! What is that tractor doing over here? In fact, Sergeant, what are all these tractors doing over here?
Wait a minute. You don't think...
Of course they did. Honeys, look. Ah, guys, help us!
Oh, we're out of here. Come on, guys, let's get out.
like this. Now what are we gonna do? Oh, I don't know what to do. I think I know how to stop them. Wait a minute. Smokey, you been tractor tipping before? Yeah. Me and him have a bit of history together. And I think I know his weakness. What is it? He's scared of light. Wait, light? Well, why did you say so? Come on, Mqueen. Listen, it doesn't have to end like this. We can go back to being old tractor partners. Smokey! Remember, guys, why are you doing it? Yell ooga chaga ooga ooga. Wait, why? Because I just say it.
You heard the man. Let's do this.
Ooga chaga ooga ooga. Chaga ooga ooga ooga. Come on, guys, I think we're doing this. Cruz! Oh no, I think we're done here. Wait a minute, man. Don't attack anybody. I got your tractor right here. See? Your tractor. No. No. Wait a minute, Fillmore? Hey guys. Wait, how did you know he wanted his tractor? Well, I mean, you took his tractor from him. I guess that makes sense.
Oh yeah, I forgot something.
Oh. Wait, Cruz, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. You Georgia better be looking at that. You did it.
I'm never going tractor tipping again. Oh hey, pal. Where you been? I've been inside Frank, for gosh sakes! Ah! Huh, weird. Wait a minute, guys. I just found out what I'm missing. Wait, really? Yeah, I didn't get a taste of my organic daily fuel. Ah! Well, come on. It's good.